Now may I please call upon the stage Miss Riya Ranka, Senior Consultant IT, Poet and Content Creator, India. And I request all the delegates to take care of their time. Each delegate is given 10 minutes time.
Hello everyone, am I audible? Okay. So good afternoon everyone. First things first, a heartfelt thank you to the organizers and to all of you who has been wonderful presenters over here. I just want you to have a quick clap for yourself and your fellow members, please. That's the spirit. Let's keep up the spirit high. So it's truly my privilege to be a part of room which is full of curiosity, driven people and future ready minds. And honestly, being surrounded by such kind of people like you already, you win as a speaker over here in the podium. Now, before we dive in, let's do something, okay? So allow me to quickly introduce myself. Next slide, please. So my name is Riya Ranka and I work as a senior consultant in IT industry, where my world revolves around helping businesses to adapt, to innovate and scale using digital capabilities. From transforming enterprise systems to driving strategy in complex ecosystems, every day it teaches me one thing. That is, changes are not coming because changes lies everybody all around here. And that's exactly where we are today. To talk about something that's reshaping our careers, that's reshaping our opportunities, companies and communities. So, let's move to next slide. So let me discuss about the agenda of today's conference. First, we understand, what is the digital era of entrepreneurship, what is AI-enabled sustainable entrepreneurship insights, what are innovative models of sustainopreneurship, and next but not the least, that is ecopreneurship, which is coming. So, before we talk about where we are going on, let's reflect on where we have come from. That is digital entrepreneurship. Digital entrepreneurship, they haven't just, emerged overnight. It has evolved through 3 phases. First phase was from brick to click models. Next one was fully digital naive startups, and from legacy systems to, cloud thinking solutions. Each milestone, it represents a response to a need, speed, personalization, access and innovation. Think of these milestones as a stepping stone towards a future where entrepreneurship is borderless, data-driven and purpose-led. And the best part is that, we are writing our own story. Now, talking about the insights, so over 70% of entrepreneurs adopt digital tools for success, because this trend is highlighting the importance of the technology which is arriving in all the market sectors. Talking about, what are the key milestones in digital entrepreneurship. Now let's break down into 3 terms. That is ecopreneurship, where business meets the nature. Second is AI-enabled ventures. And third one is, sustainopreneurship, a term that, might sound heavy, but it simply means weaving sustainability into the DNA of business models. They are not just trends, they are movements, and we can say that, today's generation entrepreneurs, they need to embrace at least one, if not all. So this shows, from e-commerce rise till the present, the entire life cycle, the entire milestone is present over here. Talking about the key concepts, so as I explained that, sustainopreneurship, it is, for the entrepreneurial ventures, for lasting the impact. Next is, the eco-friendly practices and innovative solutions that, in the market, which is being, addressed for solving the environmental issues. And third but not the least, that is AI-driven, in which, which is happening in the field of RP, it is happening in the field of automation. Talking about AI-enabled sustainable entrepreneurship. So here, we use Gen AI, we use, transformative models and RPA so that, transformation can be done. So by leveraging these innovations, business, they use to enhance efficiency across the workloads, but it doesn't mean that jobs are replaced. Talking about Gen AI in business, so Gen AI, we all know that, we use it for, solving the problem and for streamlining the processes, in which we have multiple applications, multiple innovations, which ultimately enhance the sustainability of the ventures. Talking about RPA, which is one of the leading practices in the IT sector. So in RPA, we revolve around bots, we revolve around automating repetitive tasks, which allows entrepreneur to focus on strategic growth and innovation, leading to overall profit. Talking about AI innovation, so these are one of the major best practices which is used in the market. First one is enhanced decision making, in which sustainable practices have been put to picture. Second are automation benefits, in which we focus on sustainability and innovation. And third, but not last but not the least, is the sustainable entrepreneurship in diverse sectors, in which collaborative solutions has been imposed. Talking about models, so wherever the model is associated in business or IT, always there are innovative frameworks which are associated with it. So there are key models which emphasizes on integration of developing and business strategies. So there are different approaches, as we can see that there are particular timelines. So it emerged from 2025. It emerged from 2021, and currently it's 2025. So in 2021, the rise of entrepreneurship was addressed in climatic changes. There were various blogs, there were various research papers in the news. The era has came, and now with the market demand, with the society development, and with the environmental impact, this is the timeline which is currently going on, which shifted towards environmentally responsible products, and innovative startups also began adopting sustainability as its core principle. Talking about ecopreneurship strategies, so it focuses on creating eco-friendly solutions while maintaining profitability. In the business, in any of the sector, business always runs on two principles. First is customer is our God.